It's a great question as far as leasing versus purchasing your own equipment. There are definitely advantages to both. We are seeing more and more people go to a full service lease contract with us, where we supply the equipment, we supply all the labor, we supply all the parts, and keep your machine running, as much as possible, 100% of the time. And at the end of the lease, you can have the option of renewing. We'll pull that equipment out. We put all brand new equipment in, and it keeps you with the most modern equipment. It keeps you with equipment that is going to be functional and reliable. And you just do it for one payment. So there's no capital cost out. There's no repair bills. So you can budget every month. You know what that's going to be, and it's not going to change, which I think is really important for businesses, because as I started leasing our vehicles because I got tired of having to come up with $50,000 cash to buy a new van because the engine cracked or the transmissions are out and it's got so many miles on it. So it's the same kind of concept of, do you want to manage that and know that you'll have these large capital expenditures, or do you just want to hand that off and the risk off to somebody and just pay a monthly fee that's manageable, that you can budget? There is an advantage when you purchase versus lease. Purchase, obviously you own it. If you're going to flip a property, maybe it makes sense more to lease it versus come up with the capital. If you're going to own it for a longer period of time, maybe you get the accelerated depreciation up front on the capital expenditure, which will help you with taxes. And then you can control, when you want to replace the equipment versus, replace decision when it comes time to do that. So we don't push people either way. We offer solutions and opportunities and discuss the good and the bad of each, and try to help a customer come to the right conclusion for them, for their best, for the business. And we try to walk them through all those solutions.